Hey everybody, it's Mike from MW3 Designs, and today I have a Kubota BX1850 and I have the Quick Hitch BX6315 adapter. That is the quick hitch for the pin-on bucket. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how quick and how simple it is to remove the bucket. Great attachment if you're going to be changing your bucket to maybe some forks or something else, or even just taking that bucket off to mow or to do things without having the bucket in your way. I'm going to hop on the tractor right now and show you guys how quick and easy it is to take it off. All right, so with that bucket raised, you're just gonna head over here, and as you can see, the quick hitch is just this small bar that mounts in between the original pin location, and then it has just a little bit of a scoop there and a couple of quick disconnect pins so that you can release the bucket. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how quick and easy it is. Right here, I just have a couple of these hitch pins. I'm gonna pull these out, and then all you gotta do is just grab this pin, slide it right out. Head over to the other side over here. Same thing, take that hitch pin out and slide the pin right out. Just gonna trap those on the floor there. And it's pretty simple to remove. It takes just a couple of seconds, and hooking it back up is just about the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how that bucket comes off, and then we'll put it right back on. Give you guys a better picture of what we got here. So this is the Kubota factory quick hitch. This is a BX6315. I'll show you should be a plate right down here. Tells you what the model is. And very simple. You know, you got your pin locations here, and then you just got a small hook right on the top there, and then that hook just grabs the pin in the center here. And then of course on the side you'll be putting those pins back in, and they're just these quick pins here. Just come right in and right out. And now I'm just going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to put this thing right back on. And it does make a big difference when that bucket's off, if you're mowing or doing something where you don't want to have that bucket sitting out in front of you. Sometimes I'll actually use this with the bucket off just to lift a few things to give myself a little bit more space. So say I'm putting a mower or a implement on the trailer, I might take the bucket off and just hook it to that hook and lift it with a chain and put it on the trailer. I'm going to show you guys how it goes back on. Real quick, real easy. Okay, so what I tried to record here is I tried to record how you can see the hook going up onto that pin there. I mean, you can kind of see it right in the front, in between my grill guard there, the brush guard. It's a little bit tough to see because the brush guard kind of blocks the view a little bit. So that's the only hard part about getting this back on. All right, and just like that, it's that simple to put the bucket back on. Just don't forget to put your pins back in once your bucket is back on. And that's it. Super simple. One of the things that I like the most about this setup is if I have to take the bucket off when I'm putting things on the trailer, it kind of gives me a little bit more space on the trailer to get the bucket off, especially if I have implements for the rear on the trailer as well. I hope this was a video that you guys can use. Check out those quick hitches. Any questions or comments, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks, guys.